power of our unconscious mind is it balances the conscious mind. Without knowing, we just accumulate so many belief system in ourselves, developing that kind of thought processes. So whenever we plan or we think of changing something in our life, the first thing is to change the way we think, change the programming of our mind, so that we can achieve something in our life. So for example, you are associating yourself with your strong belief system, and it is hampering your growth, it is not allowing you to go further. Then the second step is we have to disassociate ourselves from those limiting beliefs, look from the bird point of view, and just think what that person is thinking. So take out yourself from that person and look from the bird point and find out what is it that is limiting his actions, limiting his progress, limiting his in total the growth in his life. So what is that that is hampering? Then the answer is the belief system, what his experience has taught us, what his environment has taught us, and what his education has taught us. So the person's programming of the mind is effect of all these things. So we need to find out what is that that is limiting me. So the belief system, so we have to go to that level and change whatever is required to be changed. It is just like reprogramming your system. So when we do that, in that process we need to encounter so many things, the challenges. Then one by one we have to catch hold of one habit, one thinking, one thought process which is really hampering our growth. Stop there, then give the better suggestions to our subconscious mind, and it is quite possible that within few days you will learn to live resourcefully and learn resourcefully, and you can also help people with your own knowledge and own appearance and the way you carry yourself.